Hey guys! Welcome again to my channel. And it's been a long time. Ang tagal kong hindi gumawa ng sit-down video. And na-miss ko talaga kayong lahat. So anyway, in this video, we are going to talk about kung ano yung difference ng Ishigaki. Kasi for those who are familiar with Ishigaki, there are two variety, di ba? Yung Ishigaki Amino Classic White and then the Ishigaki Amino Premium White. Actually, ano na, new packaging na ang Ishigaki ngayon and they're also FDA approved na. So anyway, unahin natin yung Ishigaki Amino Classic White. This is formerly known as the Advanced Ultra White. Ito na yung packaging niya ngayon. There. Yan. Yung bottle seal, as you can see, yan, ganyan na yung itsura niya. Yan. Nag-iba din yung bote mismo. And same goes for the Ishigaki Amino Premium White. New bottle din, new packaging. Yun yung bottle seal, iba na rin. If I'm not mistaken, dati hindi ganyan itsura nung bottle seal niya eh. There. But, bago man yung packaging nila, wait lang, hindi ako naka-focus. Bago man yung packaging nila, you can be assured na it's the same Ishigaki, if not better pa nga yata yung formulation. So, yung mga tumatangkilik sa Ishigaki dati, makakasigurado kayo na napaka-effective pa rin niya. So anyway, ano ba yung difference nila? By the way guys, this is available sa akin. Nagbebenta po ako ng Ishigaki. Ano po ako, dealer ako ng Ageless Beauty Potions. So makakasigurado kayo na authentic yung mga Ishigaki na mabibili nyo sa akin. If you guys wanna order, just message me sa Facebook. Search for Mark Lester, or I'll also have the link ng Facebook ko and ng Instagram ko sa description box. You can also message me sa Instagram, ha? So anyway, unahin natin yung Ishigaki Amino Classic White. This is 60 capsules, 850 milligrams yung bawat capsule. And yun nga, sabi ko kanina, this is formerly known as the Advanced Ultra White. Ano ba yung mga nandito? This is a combination of N-glutathione tripeptide. And meron din siyang glutathione booster. And may vitamin C din siya which raises glutathione levels. So, ang nagagawa nito is nagkakaroon kayo ng whiter and healthier glowing skin. Yan. Take note of that ha, kasi inaano natin yung difference ng Amino Classic White tsaka ng Premium. So, for this one, whiter and healthier glowing skin. Yan. And sabi ko, diba, may vitamin C siya. Now, let's go to Ishigaki Amino Premium White. This is 850 milligrams din, pero don't be mistaken, hindi sila parehas ng contents ng Ishigaki Amino Classic White. If you look closely dun sa formulations, nandito naman sa bottle eh. Merong same pero meron ding difference. Like yung Classic White has vitamin C, this one has no vitamin C. And this has 30 capsules. This is formerly Ishigaki Premium. And ngayon, Amino Premium White na siya. Mixture of 7 free-form amino acids yung nandito. So, andito yan sa formulation. Makikita nyo yung 7 forms of amino acids na nagpro-promote ng formation of glutathione sa acting body. So, yun yung role nung amino acids na yun. Parang inuutosan niya yung body natin to produce glutathione as needed by our body. And this one should be taken with vitamin C. Pero yung Classic White, guys, advice ko na rin kayo kahit may vitamin C siya, mag-take pa rin kayo ng vitamin C na separately. Kasi maliit lang naman yung content niya ng vitamin C. So, mura lang naman ang vitamin C, so you can buy pang-generic, okay lang yan. And if you're acidic pala, ang gamitin yung vitamin C is yung non-acidic, which is sodium ascorbate. Yan. Ano pa ba? So, ito naman yung amino acids nito, it acts like a repair treatment from within. So, ang gagawin nito is, will make your skin luminous white, smooth and elastic. So, kung medyo may edad na kayo, tapos naglo-lose na ng elasticity yung skin nyo, kagaya ko, kasi hindi na rin naman ako bumabata. So, I would go for this. Medyo, ano nga lang siya, pricier ng konti kasi 30 capsules lang. This is 1,000 pesos pala, by the way. And yung Amino Classic is 1,200 pesos, 60 capsules na. So, medyo pricier to kasi 30 capsules for 1,000 pesos. Pero yun nga, marami kasi benefits to compared to the Classic. Yun nga, if you're like my in my age na naglo-lose na ng elasticity yung skin, so this is important for us. And also, if you want to have strong and shiny hair, yun din ang nagagawa nito. And stronger nails din. So, yan. So, ulitin natin yung, summarize natin yung premium, kung ano yung nagagawa niya. Of course, it whitens our skin kasi it tells our body to produce glutathione. And it gives us luminous whites, smooth and elastic skin. And stronger stronger and shinier hair, and stronger nails. Yun. So, ngayon, alam nyo na ba guys kung ano yung difference? Ito nga, it will give you white and healthier glowing skin. Yung Amino Classic White. Yung Amino Premium, yun yung mga sinabi ko. Just a few seconds ago. Hindi ko na ulitin ha. So now, alam nyo na kung ano yung difference. Kasi usually yan yung number 1 na tanong sa akin kapag nagpo-post ako ng gluta na Ishigaki for sale sa Facebook. Sasabihin nila, ano bang mas maganda? Mga ganon. Yun pala yung unang tanong. So, I hope with this video nasagot na yung tanong nyo. And if you're decided na kumuha ng either Classic or ng Premium, again, this is available sa akin. Makasigurado kayong authentic, and I ship. Kunyari, umorder kayo ngayon, ang cut-off ko is 3 PM. Masiship ko pa siya within the day. Pero if beyond 3 PM, kinabukasan, isiship ko na rin siya kaagad through LBC. So again guys, add me up on Facebook or follow me on Instagram. I'll have the links in the description box. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!